All right, here we are at the Tom Fruin Camouflage House. This was built in 2019, and take a look at the amazing view here at Elings Park. So much going on today. And now this house sculpture can be seen as a place of refuge and a stand-in for our hope moving forward. Its shape is a generalization of a home, while its dramatic coloration is the opposite of camouflage. Just beautiful. It is an act of standing out with warmth and brilliance, and that's according to Tom Fruin. He's the artist and UCSB alumnus. Now this is built from salvaged signage, reclaimed acrylic scraps, and welded steel, and the vibrant beacon expresses dynamic contrast through both its material composition and juxtaposed site. The sculpture's multicolored pieces coalesce into a single house that illuminates the skyline each evening.
How do you know this?
Oh, well, because Santa Barbara, California is where we are at Elings Park. And as you can see right here, it looks like they're getting ready to take flight. So we're gonna make our way down below. So many different places that you can check out at Elings Park, Santa Barbara.